Hey, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore, and I really love the boating community. You guys have been awesome. I love that you give me your comments, because this is a lot of the stuff that I'm doing is my first time maintenance, especially with this big boat. And big shout out to Ray, one of my YouTube subscribers, for helping me figure out how to align the pins in this lower unit that got out of whack. So, no pun intended. So take a look at me doing this right now, applying what Ray had said to do, which was to lift the outdrive while banging in the pin. And I wasn't putting those two things together for some reason, and I was having a hard time with it, but it went through like a dream. So take a look at this. Hey. All right, I did have to had to lift the whole drive while hammering it over, and it went right over. And you can see here, clip is gone, but I got a clip I can put in there. So, hooray. So I purchased another one at the local marine store. Now that puppy's back on. And now I think I'm just gonna clean this off first. All right. All right, so that clip is now on the end. Thanks a lot, and we'll get another video out to you soon. Got great news coming up. Probably this coming Friday, you will see a video for the first time in a long time with the Admiral and me. So hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks again for watching.